Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Throttle channel that brings you an alluring moto vehicle experience. Today we bring you one of the most common station wagon used in Kenya, the 2015 Toyota Fielder. The Fielder wagon remains one of the most common cars in Kenya, and especially the 2008 to 2009 model which hit the Kenyan market by storm. The Toyota Fielder saw the daylight in the year 2000. This car comes with different engine configurations from 1.5-liter and 1.8-liter naturally aspirated engine mated to 5-speed automatic transmission gearbox, producing a maximum power of 190 horsepower. The Fielder 1.5-liter option has been the most common for having the reliable 1NZFE engine configuration with VDT technology, which is also fitted in cars like the Toyota Corolla NZ and the Toyota Sienta wagon. Trampling over competitor models such as the Nissan Wing Road, Mazda Familia, and Honda Airwave wagons, the Fielder still has more sales despite its competitors' cheap price points. With every release since 2001, there hasn't been much going on with the shape of Toyota models. An example, the Toyota Probox and Succeed, which only received a facelift in 2015 since 2001. This being that Toyota has built a market based on reliability, meaning that people will still buy from them despite the vehicle's appearance. This is evident with the 2015 Toyota Fielder, which isn't the most beautiful, and especially compared to its closest competition, a Honda Shuttle. Toyota had the chance to make the Fielder both appealing and reliable since the market is ever-changing. With the transition to a younger market that values appearances more over reliability, most car brands have stepped up with their car shapes. Value for money. The 2015 Toyota Fielder costs 1.5 to 2.1 million Kenyan shillings depending on the trim level, whether hybrid or non-hybrid version. Which car do you want us to review? Share your sentiments in the comments section, we value your feedback. Remember to subscribe, like, share and comment.